This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Loops sure make writing code easier. Definitely true. Use a loop to draw a staircase. Each staircase is 50 pixels long and 50 pixels tall. Got it? You will need to turn 90 degrees in each direction. So our workspace, we have 2 blocks out, yep, and 7 blocks total. Let's hit run. Yep, nothing happens because all we have is this. So we know that it is 50 pixels long. So, oh, notice these numbers? That means they want you to use it only 2 times. We shouldn't have to use it more than twice. Let's give this a shot. Move forward, and then, well, I'm going to need to turn right, I can tell. And then move forward. Make sure not to use jump, because jump doesn't draw, it jumps. Let's see. Okay, so now what would I want to do? Well, now I think I turn to the left. And then what would I do after that? I know it says 0, but I'm just going to keep going right now. Move forward just to test, because you can always test stuff out with code. It's good to do so. Alright, let's see where I get to now. Alright, so now what would I do? I would turn right by 90 degrees, and then I would move forward again, and then I would turn left and move forward. Let's see. Boom, and we're almost there, but look, and this is why we can only use 7 blocks. There's an easier way to write this. Let's see, move forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left. Okay, and then what would we do? Well, we'd move forward again, and then we would turn right, and notice that it's just repeating, okay, and then move forward again, and so on and so forth. We just keep repeating ourselves. So rather than writing or blocking all of that out, we can use repeat. And I can just drop it in here and bam. We don't need to set the width more than once because you're not changing the width of the writing instrument, right? We're not changing the width of the paint. It only is set once at the top, and all the stuff in the pink block thingy repeats. Let's see. Quapow. Awesome. We did it. Onward.